Hi there. In this video on PMN Online, we are going to cover how to convert PDF to Google Docs using Google Drive. Have you ever found yourself needing to edit a PDF document, only to realize that it's not as simple as editing a regular text file? PDFs are great for maintaining the layout and formatting of a document, but when it comes to making changes, they can be quite a hassle. This is where Google Drive comes to the rescue. By converting your PDF to a Google Doc, you can make all the necessary edits without breaking a sweat. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to accomplish just that. First things first, you're going to need to access Google Drive. Open up your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any other you like, and navigate to Google Drive's website. If you haven't already signed in, you'll need to log into your Google account. It's crucial to ensure you're signed in to the right account, especially if you're on a shared or public computer. This step guarantees that your files are saved in the correct place, and you can easily find them later. Once you're logged into Google Drive, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. There, you'll spot the New button. Give it a click, and from the menu that appears, select File Upload. This action will bring up a file picker that allows you to browse through your computer's directories. Locate the PDF file you wish to convert and select it. After you've chosen your file, hit Open or select to upload it. Keep an eye on the bottom right corner of Drive, where you'll see an Upload Progress indicator. Depending on the size of your PDF or the number of images it contains, this could take a few moments. Patience here is key. After the upload is completed, your PDF will be visible in your Drive. Now, the exciting part begins. Right-click on the PDF file, hover over the Open with option, and choose Google Docs. This action will instruct Google to start converting the PDF into an editable format. A new tab will pop open, and Google Docs will get to work on the conversion. If your PDF is mostly text, this usually happens quickly. However, if it includes lots of images, tables, or has a complex format, it might take a bit longer. Once the conversion is complete, you'll see a new Google Docs document containing the text extracted from your PDF. The original PDF remains unchanged in your Drive, and the newly created Google Doc is saved right alongside it. Now, you can start editing just like you would in any regular Google document. Feel free to correct typos, rewrite sections, adjust headings, and format the text to your liking. Keep in mind that if your original PDF was scanned or featured unusual fonts, you might notice slight differences in spacing or line breaks due to the optical character recognition process. But don't worry, a quick review usually fixes any minor issues. Images from the PDF will appear in the converted document, though their placement might not be exactly the same as in the original. Similarly, tables and columns might be simplified in the process. If precise formatting is crucial, it's a good idea to compare the converted document with the original PDF to ensure accuracy. And remember, Google Docs automatically saves your changes, so there's no need to worry about losing your work. And there you have it. By signing into Google Drive, uploading your PDF, and opening it with Google Docs for conversion, you can easily transform a static PDF into a dynamic, editable document that you can refine and enhance to your heart's content. Hopefully, this tutorial on PMN Online helped you understand how to convert PDF to Google Docs using Google Drive quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like this one, be sure to subscribe.